line. I just wanna take a drive and crash this whip. I don't wanna live, but
Raspo
I
beats,
don't even
beats.
wanna die. Go ahead, say your goodbyes. I can't deal with this no more. I just wanna take a drive and crash this whip. I don't wanna live, but I don't even wanna die. Go ahead, say your goodbyes. I can't deal with this no more. I can't love again, no. I can't trust again, I can't even trust a soul. You done fucked my heart up, you done crossed the line. Now you're right here trying to waste my fucking time. But you're all over my mind. But I miss you so much that I can't spend this dime. I just need you by my side. I can't focus if I'm not talking to you. I just need to spend my last time with you. I just need you back in my life, cause you made me feel alright. She kept me happy, but now I feel like I'm drowning deep inside. I know that I crossed your mind, cause you always hit on my line. Cause you always say, can you come over and can we be together? But I know that's a lie, cause you just want me to die. Even though I just wanna grow my wings and just fly high.
Raspo beats, beats.
Suicide all up in my mind. I just wanna take my life. Grab the 9, put it to my head, pull the trigger, but the clip was empty. Like, am I already dead? I can see the light, gotta follow the light. I feel like I need help, but where can I find help? Every time I try to open up, everybody just leaves me there. I need you, I want you, but you don't want me back. I got so attached, love is a drug, don't get attached. Don't fall for these hoes, cause they'll fuck you up. And it will hurt, cause they will just break your fucking heart. I know that, cause she broke my heart before. Now I can't trust again. Sorry if I tell you that I can't love much. My heart being broken in million pieces, it's like a puzzle. If you try and put it together, it got stuck in the past. Now it's so cold, feel like I'ma be old with a cold heart.